Hell of a day for a run here. Everything's covered with snow still. $29. Feels like 20, it says. But I'm already sweating my ass off, so I was worrying about it. Listening to the wind howl past the window when I was sleeping woke me up, but came out and did it anyway, like I do every single day. But it's definitely awesome out there, I'll tell you that much. Actually sweating my ass off already because it's actually 29. So don't let the wind chill stop you, man. Unless it's like minus 50. Even then, I'm sure someone on the planet is doing it anyway. So get out there, man. Have an awesome day. Let's go.